that you can take like pressure, you can take a blunt force, but I mean your joint.
Yeah.
You feel that?
I feel that. And I'm limited too. I notice now when I do lunges, like yesterday I was doing lunges, it seems like it's getting worse. Like I'm not able to go down as far. So I just have that limited.
You can't do that.
I have the limited toe movement, toe extension. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
All right. So what does this prevent you from doing? I would say, or what does most of your things prevent you from doing that you would like to do?
It doesn't prevent me. It just limits me.
Okay.
So I just have to monitor. Like I wanted to go a little bit deeper in my lunges, and I was doing some plyometric stuff yesterday. It's just some split lunge jumps, and I was noticing. I was just careful. It's fine. Like it doesn't mentally mess me up, but I would like to not have any limitation. Right. I also know I'm just getting older, so that has a little bit to do with that.
I'm gonna do some things with you real quick, though. I want you to do this, and what you're gonna do is keep your hands in that position at all. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna come up. I'm gonna come down. I just want to see how you can handle it for us, all right? All right. Just release it.
I just observed that this one was coming in a little bit more.
I mean, but pain-wise.
No pain. No pain.
Okay, all right, no pain. Go inside. Yeah. Okay, down. Come on. How does that feel?
Fine. No pain.
So now you like this. Now you relax. I'm gonna dip this finger down, so I'm gonna actually do this with you.
Okay.
Put that thumb down. Yeah, just like that. All right. So I'm gonna push down. I want you to resist me, okay?
Okay. Yeah, that's not happening.
Gotcha. Okay. You feeling pain or
no
is
pain?
it just weakness?
It just feels weak.
Okay.
It just feels weak.
Sure.
Let me try it again, but I think the same thing's gonna happen.
Okay, for sure. Just relax it for a second. Yeah, I don't want you loading up trying to relax that shoulder for a second. There you go. Okay. Straighten this. Yeah, there you go. All right. I'm gonna have you right here.
Yeah, that's
Okay. What about inside?
That's a little stronger.
Okay. There you go. Outside. Do you feel pain with that?
Just a little bit in that.
Where is it at?
Anterior
Okay.
portion of the shoulder.
All right. So I'm gonna have you do this. We're gonna do the same thing. All right.
Okay. So down first.
How's
No
that?
pain. All right.
Bring it in.
No pain. All right. Yeah, pain.
Where are you feeling?
And same position.
So it's in the front, or is it like right below that?
I think it's so it's not. The thumb is moving back up. Nothing there.
So that's right on that biceps tendon. All right. I want you to do this, and I'm gonna have you actually like this, and the movement's gonna be this. Okay.
So you want me to just
I
push
want
out?
you to do that.
Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna do that
Sit.
exactly, and I'm gonna do this.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Go ahead.
You want me to try to push all the way out?
Push it all the way out. Yeah. Go ahead. How's that feel?
Fine.
All right. So I'm gonna have you do. We're gonna come in. All right.
So bicep curl.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. How's that feel?
Fine.
I'm gonna have you in all the way. You know, I'm gonna have you come up.
Okay.
No. You're gonna. I'm gonna pull you out.
Oh, so I'm resistant. Okay. That's fine.
That's fine. All right. So you said all this was happening when you were actually lifting with free weights and doing bench press and all that.
So I would as I started to because I was doing it 3 times a week, just bench pressing, like traditional pull-ups.
Sure.
I started to notice as I was doing bench press, I was like, I feel a little tightness there.
Let's see how your body responds to different pressure. See what we have. When's the last time you got adjusted? What's all
It's been 2 years.
Okay. Gotcha.
I'm afraid to go to a chiropractor I don't know for a trust.
Yeah, I hear that.
I've been referred to.
You had a bad experience?
No, with something like that, I prefer to have somebody that I know or has been referred to me. And with us living in a small town, there's one chiropractor, but I've heard mixed reviews, so
Gotcha.
I'm not going.
I hear you. I understand.
The last time I was adjusted by my chiropractor 2 years ago.
It's been a minute, man. It's time for a tune-up.
Oh yeah. I tried to go, man, because she's in DC. When I go back to DC, I try to go to her, but she's so busy.
Yeah,
She couldn't get me in last summer. Now she's actually getting ready to. She's just transitioning to what's it called? The sleep chamber.
Oh, okay. She's talking to like
that, yeah.
Tell me if you have any pain with anything that.
No pain so far.
Okay. I feel that base posterior.
You do? Okay.
Yeah. So I'm creating a little bit of space before we do it.
Yeah, this is how long ago this was, man. That guy was charging $25
Yeah,
per
man.
set for like 30 minutes, 25, 30 minutes, something
Goodness.
like that. That's how long ago that was.
Oh, yeah, it is. I don't know why this inflation is hitting so hard and kicking us. It's crazy nowadays, man. Not even McDonald's is it?
He had different color rooms, and he would just go wait. You know, you come in, get like a card or something, and tell you which room to go to. And you could hear him over in another room talking, working with somebody else, and then he would like go inside another door to come to you. And he was probably seeing, I would say, it's probably somewhere between 8 and 10 people per hour.
Oh wow. Okay. He had a good setup.
So he had a good setup.
Yeah, he had a good system going, because that's what it's all about when you get real busy. The type of systems that you have, the personnel that you work with, gotta be on point. Because they can't waste no time, and they can't in a sense stop your shit.
The other thing I forgot to tell you was kind of right where you are now, to the left. I don't know if it's Ron Boy's traps, but that pops. I can get it to pop a lot throughout the day.
All right.
That's been going on for years too.
All right.
So
I know what you're talking about. Oh, this feels okay.
that's fine. Yep. Is that a Hypersphere or Theragun or?
It's
That's fine.
it without the pillow. You know, see.
Yeah, that's okay.
Just relax the head.
Actually, that's a little. I can feel a little.
Just pressing.
Yeah, just a little tension in my legs there.
That's better.
Yeah, that's better.
Scoot it towards me. Just like that. Actually, yeah. We know you're strong, big dog, but let go of that arm for me. Yeah, Lucy, go. There you go. Just like that. Just like that.
That was good. It felt like a release in that hip.
That's what I'm talking about. Just give me a deep breath and I'm gonna have you come to the other side, alright? You take them down just a little bit while putting a little bit of motion in it, so. Do you feel a little bit of stretch in your low back?
Not yet.
Okay.
felt that.
back in place.
Yeah. This past week I had issues.
Oh, that feels okay.
Yeah, that feels fine. No, I'm a professor now.
Oh, okay.
And I still do fitness stuff. That's a school called Free Hardeman.
Okay.
So,
All right.
Christian school.
I hear
Actually
that.
affiliated with the Church of Christ. So,
Okay. All right.
yeah.
How you liking it?
Definitely do a lot of, and I'm working on my doctorate too. So
And what?
definitely do a lot of typing, behavioral health.
That's what I'm talking about, big dog. You gotta do a thesis. It's gonna be just like that.
That's not bad at all.
There you go.
Yeah, that was good. That was
Yeah.
good. I wasn't expecting you to do it at that.
There you go.
Oh, I felt it. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Yep. I just got done through with a session, my first session with Dr. Mike. I hadn't worked with a chiropractor in 2 years. I'm glad I came today. Came with a couple aches and pains, and I feel better. So purpose has been achieved, and definitely will come back to him again. If the I don't live here, but if the opportunity presents, I would definitely come back again. So highly recommend it.